Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to using CleanMyMac by MacPa, to free up lots of storage on your Mac with real actions you can take and tips to maximize free space safely. 1. Check your current storage first before cleanup, it helps to know what's taking space. Click Apple menu rightward arrow about this Mac rightward arrow storage rightward arrow manage to see a breakdown, apps, documents, system, etc. Aim to have at least 10-15% free space to keep Mac OS running smoothly. 2. Use Smart Scan for quick cleanup. CleanMyMac Smart Scan is the easiest first step. 1. Open CleanMyMac. 2. Run Smart Scan, one-click scan that checks for junk plus malware issues. 3. Review the recommendations. 4. Click Clean to remove system junk, cache files, broken downloads, and other digital dust. Note, this often recovers several gigabytes quickly. Pro tip: repeat Smart Scan periodically, weekly or monthly, to keep clutter down. 3. Remove system junk and cache files. Go to Cleanup rightward arrow scan rightward arrow review all junk results. You can remove system cache, broken log files, old language files, temporary leftovers from uninstalled apps. This clears hidden junk that Mac OS doesn't delete on its own and is hard to find manually. 4. Uninstall unused apps completely. Deleting apps via Finder often leaves behind hidden leftovers. CleanMyMac does it properly. 1. Open Applications rightward arrow scan. 2. Click on Used to find apps you haven't used in months. 3. Choose apps to remove. 4. Click Uninstall the app and all its support data gets removed. This frees space that incomplete removals usually leave behind. 5. Find and remove large and old files manually. Hunting old files is slow. CleanMyMac makes it faster. 1. Go to My Clutter, or Large and Old Files, in the sidebar. 2. Select a folder like Home to scan. 3. Click Scan and wait for results. 4. Review large and old files sorted by size or last access. 5. Select and remove what you don't need. This often catches huge forgotten videos, disk images, .dmg, installers, or archives. 6. Use Space Lens for visual storage mapping. Space Lens gives you a visual map of your disk. Scan your home directory. It shows which folders take the most space. You can drill down to specific files and remove them. Great for spotting storage hogs quickly. 7. Cloud Cleanup, iCloud/Google/OneDrive. If you sync cloud storage locally, iCloud Drive, Google Drive, etc., CleanMyMac can help. 1. Go to Cloud Cleanup. In the sidebar. 2. Connect your cloud accounts. 3. Scan and review cloud and local sync files. 4. Remove or unsync unneeded items to free local disk space without losing originals online. 8. Empty trash bins and Time Machine snapshots. Files in trash still take space. CleanMyMac helps clean them. Use the trash bins module to empty all trash at once. If you use Time Machine, local snapshots can take space. Use CleanMyMac's tools or Mac OS commands to reduce their size. Best practices and safety tips: keep backups before big deletions. Always back up important data, Time Machine or cloud, before removing large files just in case you accidentally delete something important. Review before deleting. CleanMyMac categorizes files, but you choose what to delete. Take a few seconds to review suggested files so you don't remove something you may need. Don't rely only on cleaners. Mac OS has built-in storage tools too. Cleaning with apps and Mac OS recommendations together gives the best results. Extra tips for maximum space: sort downloads by size in Finder and remove old DMGs or video files. Move large media to an external drive or iCloud to keep them off your internal SSD. Regularly clear cache for browsers and apps. Using these tools together can free up large chunks of storage quickly and safely, often dozens of gigabytes depending on your usage.